Okay, so we'd like to do 1410.5, A and B. Okay, and basically we're confused about decimals, right? Okay, so I'm confused about decimals. What can I do to fix it? Yeah, make them a fraction. Isn't that scary? You guys are now more comfortable with fractions than you were with decimals? Do you remember that you used to be the other one? That's very cool, isn't it? I'm really actually very pleased with that. So how do I write 0.01 as a fraction?
1 in 100.
Is it 1 in 10 or 1 in 100?
1.
I think so.
Yeah, 1 in 100.
Yeah.
2 zeros is 100.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so it's 1 in 100.
Which is 1 over 10.
So I could rewrite this as the square root of 1 over the square root of 10. Wait, 100. Square root of 100. Which is 10. Okay, so I did the bottom. You guys do the top.
It's 1 over 10.
Square root of 1 is what now?
1.
Why?
Because 1 times 1 is 1.
Good answer. Because 1 times 1 is 1. Okay, so I get a 10. Done?
Well, 1 times 1 is itself, so since it's all 1s and zeros, I guess we have.
So you can be done. That said, right, I'm going to accept this as an answer. That said, you were asked a question about decimals, right? It would probably be polite to return your answer in decimal form
So
if you can do that with an equal sign.
just 0.01.
Yeah, so I would say point, what now?
0.1. Oh,
Point,
0.01.
well,
Yeah.
I don't know if that's the right answer. Directions aren't solved. Just represent each expression by using exponential notation.
oh, okay. So if we want to, this is fair. I didn't read the directions. I should do what the directions said. Okay, that's why the last step at each word problem is reread the problem. Make sure you answer the question. So I did the evaluate each expression part, right? You guys see that? But I didn't do the rewrite using a rational exponent. So how do I rewrite this as a rational exponent? What's this thing? Yeah, I should say this is 0.01 to the 1/2. And that's this. So I think if I was actually answering the question, I would say this. I would say 0.01 to the 1/2 is 0.1. You guys see that?
Yeah.
That's rewrite and evaluate. Cool. You want to do the other one?
Sure, let's do that.
Okay, so how do we do the other one in a, I don't know. How do we do the other one?
Well,
How do we destroy this one?
Divide by 0.
Yes, that would do it. Multiply both sides. Wait, there aren't both sides. But if you multiply both sides by 0, it'll all go away.
Multiply by 1,000. No. We can fraction the thousands on the bottom.
Okay, so re-express this as thousands, right? So this is the cube root of what?
Negative 1 over 1,000.
Negative 1 over 1,000. Okay, and this is the cube root of negative 1 over the cube root of 1,000. Do I know some of this?
Yeah.
Okay, the bottom's 10. How about the top? What do I cube to get negative 1?
Negative 1.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Why am I allowed to do that?
Because it's a cube.
Yeah, because it's an odd power, so I can take it. I can actually evaluate that. Okay.
Negative 0.1.
Okay. Which is negative 0.1.
So negative 0.001 to the 1/3.
Okay, so expressing as a exponent, right? I rewrite the cube root as to the 1/3 power. And then I found the answer, it's minus 0.1. Does that help? Did I actually read the directions this time?
Well,
They were the same
you didn't have to
directions.
because they were the same.
Okay, cool. Questions, thanks? Okay.